Sharma bringing to you the top news of the week. The Narendra Modi-led government inducted Pashupati Kumar Paras, MP from Hazipur, as a cabinet minister and given charge of key Ministry of Food Processing Industries on Wednesday. Soon after, Paras' nephew LJP's Chirag Paswan, Member of Parliament from Jammu, said that case will be filed in Delhi High Court on Thursday against the inductions of his uncle Ramvilas Paswan's son Chirag Paswan, who is in a feud with his uncle, said that Paras could not be administered from the LJP quota since he is no longer a part of the party. Arvind Kumar Bajpai, advocate for Chirag Paswan, said that a writ has been filed before Delhi High Court challenging Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla's order. The decision taken enhanced his country to rules, practice and procedure and opposes the party constitution. After the latest hike, the petrol in the national capital has touched a record high of rupees 100.56 per litre in Delhi, while diesel is currently retailed at rupees 89.62 after breaching the rupees 100 mark in metro cities. It was the sixth hike in July, which made petrol costlier by 35 paise in national capital. In Mumbai, petrol is retailed at rupees 106.59 per litre. Diesel has reached rupees 97.18 per litre. Fuel prices differ from state to state depending on the incidence of local taxes such as VAT and freight charges. Rajasthan levies the highest VAT on petrol and diesel in the country. The Union Health Ministry on Wednesday said the variants of concern of SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus have been found in as many as 174 districts in 35 states and union territories. The Health Ministry said the highest number of variants of concern have been reported from the districts in Maharashtra, Delhi, Punjab, Telangana, West Bengal and Gujarat. Variants of concern of public health importance detected in community samples in India are Alpha, Beta, Gamma and Delta. The Health Ministry said the B.1.617 first observed in Maharashtra was associated with the unusual rise observed in several districts of the state. News 4. More than half the COVID-19 infections in Bangkok are the Delta variant, with a prominent doctor warning it will become the dominant strain in the kingdom within weeks. 52% of infections reported in the capital are the Delta variant. In Bangkok, the Delta variant is found in every district, mostly northern Bangkok, so it can be said the Delta variant is currently spreading in the city. Meanwhile, the slow vaccination rollout continues amid reports of fewer than expected AstraZeneca doses being made available and confusion and surrounding the import of the Moderna vaccine. The Department of Disease Control says the government will administer 10 million doses this month. He adds that 70% of Bangkok's 1.8 million senior citizens will receive a vaccine in the coming 2 weeks. The 17.85 million elderly Thais in the rest of the country will get their first dose by end of the month. The massive fire at the chemical factory on the outskirts of Bangkok, blowing toxic gas into the air, affected around 80,000 people. Those in Bangkok could see the smoke. A volunteer firefighter from a rescue foundation was killed in the fire. Dozens of people and firefighters were injured. Helicopters were deployed to spray flame foam to control the blaze. Around 180 people have filed complaints of damage against the chemical company. The company released a statement saying it would offer compensation for the damages.